Your arteries have been silently clogging up for decades. Every burger, every stressful day, and every year past 50 adds microscopic damage to your blood vessels. But these 5 common, inexpensive foods act like a daily scrub brush for bad cholesterol. Let's be brutally honest. No single food or magic pill will instantly melt away a massive calcified blockage. If someone promises you that, they are lying. However, clinical science proves that specific nutrients can stop new plaque from forming, prevent existing plaque from oxidizing, and dramatically improve your blood flow. If you are a man over 50, your cardiovascular risk is already elevated. Adding these 5 foods to your daily routine is no longer optional. It is mandatory for your survival. Number 1. Garlic. We are not talking about garlic powder, we mean fresh, raw garlic. It contains an active compound called allicin. Allicin is a natural vasodilator, meaning it physically relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This lowers your blood pressure and prevents cholesterol particles from sticking to your artery walls like glue. To get the benefits, eat 1 raw clove a day. If you must cook it, crush it first and leave it on the cutting board for exactly 10 minutes before heating. This waiting period activates the allicin so the heat doesn't destroy it. Number 2. Oats. Specifically, steel-cut or thick-rolled oats, not the instant sugary packets. Oats contain a highly powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan. When beta-glucan enters your digestive tract, it forms a thick, gel-like substance. This gel acts like a sponge, binding to cholesterol-rich bile acids and physically pulling them out of your body before they ever have a chance to reach your bloodstream. It is a mechanical sweep of your gut. Eating just half a cup of real oats a day can visibly lower your LDL cholesterol numbers on your next blood test. Number 3. Fatty fish. Sardines, mackerel, and wild-caught salmon are your best options. As you age, your arteries become stiff and inflamed. Fatty fish are packed with marine omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are not just healthy fats, they are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They lower your blood triglycerides and put out the fire of inflammation inside your blood vessels, which is the exact trigger that causes plaque to form in the first place. Your goal should be 2 solid servings a week to keep your arteries flexible. Number 4. Walnuts. Not peanuts, not almonds, walnuts. They are structurally different because they are loaded with a specific amino acid called L-arginine, alongside plant-based omega-3s. Why does this matter? Because your body uses L-arginine to produce nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a chemical messenger that tells your stiff blood vessels to relax and open up. Without it, your arteries remain constricted, driving your blood pressure dangerously high. A small handful of walnuts a day gives your body the raw materials it needs to keep your circulation strong. Number 5. Dark berries. Blueberries and blackberries are not just desserts. They are loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their dark color. High cholesterol itself isn't the only enemy. The real danger is when that cholesterol oxidizes. Think of it like metal rusting inside a pipe. Once it rusts, it hardens and blocks the flow. The powerful antioxidants in dark berries hunt down free radicals and stop this oxidation process dead in its tracks. A handful of berries daily protects the structural integrity of your vascular system. Here is a crucial bonus tip. You can eat all the oats and berries in the world, but if you consume trans fats, you are actively destroying the inner lining of your blood vessels. Trans fats cause immediate endothelial dysfunction. Check your food labels closely. Avoid anything that says partially hydrogenated oils. even if the front of the box claims 0 trans fat. It is a legal loophole that companies use to poison your food. Speaking of cholesterol, did your doctor recently tell you that your numbers are high, but then handed you a prescription without explaining anything? In our next video, we will break down the exact cholesterol metrics you actually need to worry about and learn how to read your blood test results like a medical professional. Subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss it.